So one of the things that I do for work is emergency response during storms. Power outages, snowstorms, all that sort of stuff. And I go around and I hook up generators to remote cell sites. And in this video, you're gonna see my F-350 plowing, in some cases with snow drifts, like 3 feet of snow. We had to plow like 3 kilometers of an access road to get into the site before we could even unhook and hook up our Can-Am 800 with the track kit, which is the video that I just posted last night. But yeah, you're gonna see my truck just working its butt off, and this is what we do on a regular basis. And yeah, so there'll be lots more of these, I'm assuming, because our weather just does that to us. But if you're looking for a super edited video, this ain't it, because my GoPro died shooting footage on the way up, so I had to shoot it on my phone. So it's not you know, TV quality video for sure, but the content's good. Some pretty crazy stuff happens to us a lot of times, and some stuff I can capture on video, some stuff I can't. Gets pretty crazy out there sometimes doing what we're doing, and can make for some pretty good content. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe. Lots more of these to come, I'm sure. Enjoy. All right, boys. There it is. Apple Watch Series 3. 4K subscriber giveaway. Get subscribed. Let's do it.
Up here with the trailer.
No.
All right. Stuff. Yes, sir.
All right. Another one picked up. Moving on to another one. Beautiful day. Beautiful night. How else would you want to spend your evening?
I can wave the plow at him.
Yeah. I shoveled this car off and he comes flying and wants to kill me. You need to have a car in his life. Look at her roll! Look at her roll! You're plowing snow. The 12-foot trailer hooked up behind you. What I can say, not a first for me. Great in the road. Alright guys, so where we were at, the plow stopped like 2 kilometers down the road. So I managed to get in like 2.5 kilometers with the 350 with the Vblade. But it's just too much snow here going uphill. You know, these are like 5-foot snowbanks. This is like a 6-foot snowbank. So Shane's gone down with the Tundra to get the trailer. So I'm gonna gear up. I'm gonna gear up a turnaround spot here, so he can pull in and back up here. We can unload the bike and go in and get this site hooked up once and for all. We still got about a 1/2 kilometer drive in there, so it's still a bit of a journey. But once this is done, I think that's it for me tonight, or this morning. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning right now. There's some weight. We did get hung up a few times, but hooked the chain on the Tundra. Yanked me out. All right. Let's get back at it. All right. We got a nice big turnaround spot here for him now. So now I'm gonna head out and wing the road back a bit on my way down, because when we came up we just took the top layer off. The old beast is doing her. General Grabber X3s, guys. They are incredible, let me tell you. Oh yeah. Look at the snow fly. He'd come up the friggin' hill when I told him not to. Alright, so there she is, boys. Alright, so she's all winged back. The trailer is up there. So now the fun part. Hook onto the load up the buggy, Can-Am 800, I think is the one we have with the Apache track kit, and get this thing towed up there into the site, and finally get this thing hooked up. It's been eventful. Just say it that way, I guess. Fuel level low. It's a good thing we're not in the middle of nowhere. Sam, you want to come down and give me a hand, but do me a favor, buddy. You have to wear those slip-on Nikes. You say they're slip-on Nikes. I call them loafers, buddy. Oh yeah. I don't know if a Ram would take this abuse or not. Might have to stick to the Fords, because I know they can take it. Now, let's get this loaded up. Looking rig. This is where we were plowing last night, guys, where it came through. The plow came through and winged back one side since we did it. But we had it started for him. Good old 2009 F-350 V10 with those crazy good General Grabber X3s. We're heading back to this site now to fuel the generator and check on it, because potentially the power's back on. If the power's back on, then we'll unhook it and throw it in the trailer. Sir, there's some banks. We plowed. There's a plow right there. Coming full force at us.
Tractors and snow blowers that thing going up there.
The old F-350 made her in here last night, and they just broke down their big tractor with the big snowblower attachment.
Yeah.
Built Ford tough.
She had a hard night. I'll tell you that right now. Not windy either.
Oh, she definitely did. So did that.
Between the jumping and the plowing.
Yeah.
Look at the old push bar on it.
Oh yeah.
Was it shaking still?
No.
No, there was ice in the rims.
Yeah. No, right on.
Grab this tight.